Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Shure GLXD1 Plus body transmitter or other GLXD series body transmitter and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it for any variety of reasons. One could be if it's not charging, like sometimes you put it on charge and it will just blink red and it's never turns solid red like it's charging and never turns solid green like it's finished charging. Or if it's not connecting to something, or if you're having issues, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. So what we want to do this is we want to turn on the transmitter, and then we're going to press and hold the link button. Sorry, not turn it on. Turn it off, and then to press and hold the link button while turning it on, and just keep holding that link button until the power LED turns off. Then we're going to release the link button, and the transmitter will automatically initiate and then linking to find an available receiver. Then we'll press the link button on an available receiver to re-link it. And after we do that, the charging LED indicator should function normally and everything should be back to normal.